What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here today in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Onyx Premium Luggage Tank Bag. One of my favorite features of this tank bag is the waterproof and touchscreen compatible window on top. So when your phone is secured inside, the screen is viewable at a glance. With 420 cubic inches of internal capacity, an interior lined in Harley-Davidson's classic orange, and glove-friendly water-resistant zippers on the exterior, this bag is a great companion no matter how far you're riding. The exterior is made even more versatile by including MOLLE-style webbing for additional mounting options. The bag is easy to remove when you get to your destination. The leave-behind mounting hooks blend into your motorcycle and can remain equipped on your vehicle for easy reinstallation of the tank bag. The Onyx Premium Luggage Tank Bag fits select 2018 and later Softail models. Today, we're going to be using our 2022 Street Bob 114 as the model for the installation process. Prepare your motorcycle by removing the seat and removing the acorn nut and screw at the top of the frame. Discard the bracket trim pieces and washers. Next, install the right and left brackets, then install the screw and acorn nut. Make sure there is a clearance between the brackets and tank when the hardware is tightened, and turn the handlebars from lock to lock to make sure that there is nothing hindering steering. Then install the loop end of the strap over the hook end of the bracket. Move on to the back of the tank and route the loop end of the strap between the seat tang and frame. Then route the flat end of the strap with the male buckle through the loop end of the strap. Pull on the male buckle end to tighten the strap down. Make sure the strap is positioned above the seat tang when tightened and that the strap is as flat as possible along the surface of the fuel tank or trim. Install the male end of the buckle to the female buckle that's on the tank bag and test fit the tank bag in the desired location, making sure not to block the instrument cluster. Position the bag in its final position. Now is the time to tighten both the front straps and the rear strap to secure the bag. After tightening, close the clasp on the rear strap to lock the strap in place. Do one final steering check and reinstall the seat. That completes the install. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.